Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open the locked folder in Google Photos on your phone, a secure place to keep your private photos and videos safe. First, open the Google Photos app and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. At the bottom, tap the Library tab. Then scroll down and tap Utilities. Under the Utilities section, you'll see Locked Folder. If it's your first time using it, you'll see Set up Locked Folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your screen lock or PIN. Google Help +2. GAX Tech News +2. When you tap Locked Folder, you'll be asked to authenticate with your device screen lock, fingerprint, Face ID or PIN, whatever you have set as your screen unlock method. Once authenticated, the locked folder will open and you'll see your hidden items stored there. GAX Tech News +1. If you have items inside, you can view them here. Note, items in locked folder won't show up in your normal photo grid, won't appear in albums or searches, and apps other than Google Photos can't access them. Google Help +1. If you don't see the locked folder option, make sure your phone has a screen lock set up. PIN pattern fingerprint. The feature requires that. Also check if your app is updated. Some users report the folder gets hidden if screen lock is disabled. Reddit +1. And that's it. You've just learned how to open the locked folder in Google Photos on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.